Nah, kid, you just gotta do glitches.
Yeah, I did all my shit, boy.
Nah, I did glitch. Fuck. Nobody got time for that.
Nobody got time for that.
Alright, hot drop.
Dude, I gotta go back through my my stream and find that clip.
Nigga, you won't get VODs.
Yeah, but Caden, like 2 weeks in, I had like 50 wins, and
Yeah.
so I was on track for like 300 wins in that season 5 alone.
Yeah.
So if I would have played season
player,
5
but
and
he's
season
pretty
6,
bad.
I'd probably have about 700 wins right now. I'm pretty close to that.
But sadly, he's only got 100.
Like all time.
Yeah, like 700 all time.
Like 360. It's not great.
That's what I'm at.
Yeah, I'm at like
I haven't
250
been able to
'cause I
grind
stopped.
this game a lot though.
But I was saying if I would have kept going, I'd be at like
Let's go Trump.
700.
If I played season 4.
Trying to get back into it though.
I'm on 600.
Still get back into the game, like decision making wise.
Yeah, dude.
200 on this account.
I'd have like 1,000 to be honest if I played a lot during season. I don't know what season it was. 3, I think.
Yeah, I didn't really get to play season 4
Yeah, I didn't play a lot of season 3 or 4.
or season 3 because I was abroad.
Or what?
And I was studying abroad, so I wasn't about to be fucking grinding Xbox, dude. So I couldn't play him.
The guy in red umbrella. I gotta get my speed back. I used to be so fast.
I'm so bad right now, yeah. Like these are my first games on right now.
Your first 12 games on.
Yeah, that's not a lot.
Still guys in red apartments.
Yeah, I hear him. Good job, you can talk to me.
Yeah, he's coming through for
Shot?
Oh, okay, yep. I just have a whole... Like... They're weak. Don't even fucking be him. You're fucking trash. You're a fucking fraud. Take out Santa, dude, and I'm set. Oh, Luke, come res me.
Get off
3,
me, bitch.
1. Oh, the clutch.
I got you, boy.
Where the fuck did the other dude come from?
What their other buddy that was trying to kill me from over here. I had so many people watching the stream and they
Here's a blue
left
SMG
me,
right
bro.
here.
I got a lot of them to follow.
It's right on. It's right on.
Who?
Yeah, there's a blue SMG over by me.
AK.
Purple AK. Yeah, I mean if you don't want it,
Ooh.
Yeah,
you can have it. You can have it.
I guess I want a purple or a blue AR for that purple AK. Purple AK
Have
is up
that
there.
that blue AR. If Caden doesn't want it,
I've got a scar.
I just want that AK though.
you get a scar. Okay.
Wouldn't you mind following?
Wait for you.
Game shield would be nice.
Fuck, I never play East Coast servers.
Why are you
Oh,
on
you're
west?
west?
Yeah. I usually get 10 ping west.
Yeah, apparently
I
I'm
got
getting
like
30.
100. I got 100 right now.
Yeah, mine's... Apparently we're on east, but it doesn't feel like we're on east.
It's just a little bit slower with like switching guns and switching building, but other than that, it's not too bad.
There's no fucking chest there? Wow. Ooh, a deagle.
Ooh.
Shit. I don't know if people came here.
Picture, I've got you a slurp.
I'm good. You can keep it.
There's a blue AK on me if anyone likes those.
Oh, I have 5 someone if I do.
I'm checking stuff. Whatever happened to Dakotas?
Dakota's nice stream during the morning.
Like, his hype fell off.
Fuck
Ninjas
no,
is
man.
somewhat still there.
Dakota's? Hell no. He posts 100k. He posts mad views, man. I'm positive. I was watching him the other day. He had 90,000 viewers.
Really?
Damn.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty hype.
I haven't heard shit about him. Not in any clips. Nobody's making any YouTube videos about him anymore.
People just know him.
Because they don't need to. They already know that he is a sniper. It's crazy. What are you talking about? There's clips of him this week. I've already seen them. He sniped how many of the people that had the sword with a bear and got them all one shot.
Wow.
Yeah, he sniped them all. Did like 300 crits with sword dude. Multiple times.
Jesus. That's just not fair, man.
Yeah, the Barrett's good.
Yeah. You're fucking good with it.
What is the only gun that can one-shot a sword back?
Yeah, but imagine
any?
trying to hit a crit. How fast the sword dude moves.
Yeah, you're trying to quick scope him.
Talk about my snipes.
He's in TSM though. I never knew about that.
Who wants a scar?
No, he's been in
Wow, yeah.
TSM for a while. Yeah.
What's that?
Who wants a scar?
Actually, I might do Pump the Deagle. Fuck us up.
Got another purple AK on me. A big pot if people can carry it. That Christmas tree.
I have 7 minis. So
I have 6. So I mean, I'm gonna hold my minis.
There's one mini over on the cart in construction.
So. If anyone wants that big pot though, it's that Christmas tree.
What slurps you can do 25 health, 25 shield.
why they're so much better now? Someone's here.
They are.
No.
Getting sniped.
Who just sniped?
So, I don't know.
I swear there's someone
I
in.
think.
I swear someone's on L's. Or not L's, but the building
No,
side
I'm on
L's.
L's.
Texas.
Yeah, whatever that's called. I heard someone moving.
Let's go check it
I
out.
see him. Don't move, don't move, don't move. Let him peek me. Yep, there's a guy. Yep, that's sir. Like a snipe from a different direction.
Nice. There's another slurp right here.
Oh, they've got sniped. I need wheels.
Kill that guy in there.
There's a slurp right here on the picture.
I don't need it. One of
Where's
them.
big pot at?
Where is it?
Christmas tree. Christmas tree.
On
Spell
me.
cord.
Wait, can
There's
somebody
some
give me
minis.
one mini?
I left 3 minis up there.
Yeah, I've got 1 minute.
Oh, okay, I see where they're sniping. They're sniping southeast. Like zip
Can you
line.
drop one mini? Please?
Yeah.
Nigga,
it's
snipe them. Drop your sniper
Yeah.
for me, so I can fucking snipe these kids.
I'm gonna watch out though.
Yeah, they're southeast sniping.
Jesus, I got
Good
hit
dude,
by that.
damn.
Really? I moved out of the way. I saw that shit. Are there any bandages up there? Is that too much to ask? Yeah, it's a.
I can't hit that shit with a deagle that far, you kidding?
Joking? Joking.
I don't even know how they hit me though on that angle. That's crazy. I think I see a med kit at least.
Oh, come on, give me that next shot.
Ooh, there's a hunting right here. I'm fucking blown.
Yo, guys on me.
Knocked one.
46
Sniped.
white.
You guys like that snipe?
46 shield.
Eh,
You guys have Oh, okay, sweet. Yeah, one's on it. It's behind you.
help, 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 help. I'm dead. He's
Give me your heals, bro. Oh, storm.
Oh,
I've got a
see,
lot-
get that kid.
He's got a launch pad.
He's right the fuck out of here.
Use that launch pad. Oh, down here.
Get out of here, you
Dead.
bot!
Fuck these guys on the hill.
I'm going for this drop. Oh, look.
Need minis.
I dropped mine for the bandages. Back there. I also have
Where?
a launch pad. They were in the storm.
nice.
Way deep.
No what?
In the storm, you death fuck.
Like in Texas,
Oh.
where I killed that guy. I have.
Oh, Caden died.
Yeah.
He said help.
Fuck. I tried to get to him and I got there just a little bit too late.
I tried
Yeah,
to
I
as
was
well, but
Too busy
can't
killing
get
guys.
sniped.
No, just normal.
Okay, where are these fuckers?
Wait,
They
picture,
were
do you
on
have
the-
minis? You have
Good
extras?
news. Alright, good looks.
Kid's still up there. It's so hard to tell.
No.
I
I think they are.
Dumb if he was still up there.
They were just a bunch of fucking Ragnaroks.
No, they are. They are.
Yeah, neither way.
Are you serious?
Oh!
I thought I clipped him.
Almost hit that guy on the zipline too. How good of a
I was
Yeah, I
zipline
was
am I?
shooting at the guy in the zipline.
Be honest.
They rifted.
He just rifted. If they come to us, they're idiots.
No, they're not. They're going that mountain.
Gotta get to that mountain.
Alright, let's push.
Fuck, too bad we didn't have a rift.
Here, I have a launch pad.
No, that's not gonna do much. Just don't even waste it.
It's true, we're going uphill.
They've all lost fall damage. Could you see it?
Boosh.
I'm literally just playing away from that fucking mountain. One star. We
Is
gotta
she?
get there.
Zone.
You
Yeah,
see
no.
it?
Look them. They're in a
Come
box.
on.
Eh?
Give
Hit
me
him
a
for
fucking
104?
hit.
So
Dude, I don't miss.
Not eating.
Yeah, let's just shoot
Get
him
up
out.
there. They're fighting. They're fighting.
Yeah. You're fucking kidding.
37. Oh, thank the Lord, you saved my life. Yes, bro.
Go
Let's
move,
go.
go move.
I got bandages.
Come on, pick 'em up.
Yeah. Even though you guys were on either side, he just focused on me. That was funny. Thanks, homie.
I was like, what the fuck did I just pick up?
I'm gonna try to get up there.
Alright, 3v3. Let's catch this dub.
They're above us, aren't they?
I don't think so.
I can launch pad.
I thought we killed everybody else. Oh,
You're a
crap!
dumbass.
No.
Shut up. Don't let me know this. I'm all the way back down. Can somebody come down and get me?
Yeah, I'm here.
Sure, I'm right here. Sure, get up there and control the top.
Quick. Storm. Storm.
We got 25 seconds. I have bandies. I just need minis.
Yeah.
Dude, how many snipes did I hit though? So many
A
guys
lot,
for 100.
man. I was whiffing. I'm taking this
I
deagle.
think I hit 3.
This lag isn't doing it for me. I need the deagle.
I have no idea what the fuck these
That
kids are.
many.
Just... I don't know. Place a
You
launch
gotta
pad
be
for me
hiding
now.
somewhere.
Yeah, place the launch
Alright.
pad so we can get up.
Don't go too high. Just average.
Just put it right here so we can just send it.
Hey guys,
wait.
watch out for traps.
Let's land on top of Dusty. Oh, they're launching. They're launching. They're right below us. Go on top of Dusty. Go on top of Dusty.
Push it. Push it.
Yeah, they're below. They're below. Let's land on top of Dusty. We're set. They're going for the drop.
Yeah, they're trying to build
Run.
like tough.
Run. Run. Fuck.
Knocked one, knocked one. 53,
Picture go pushing. Go pushing.
53.
He's below you. Somewhere. Where did this man go?
Keep him pressed on this other guy. I'm gonna be on that guy down there. Finish him off.
Guy placed a trap. Yeah,
53. 34 white.
healing. Shit,
go.
7 kills, boys. I like how nobody watches me, nobody's watching when I actually get a dub.